Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna show you guys how to shuck this hard drive, meaning take it out of the case. Now this will void your warranty, so make sure it works before you do this. In my case, this is brand new, so I will test this on the computer before we continue. Now here are the parts that you need. You absolutely need a Phillips screwdriver. You most likely need something very sharp like a razor knife. And one of these three should do. I'm going to use a combination of them, so a very small flathead screwdriver will probably do the trick. A pry tool makes it easier, so this is the one I'm most likely going to use, or you can also use a guitar pick. So let me take it out of the case, make sure it works, and we'll continue from there. So I verified it works on the computer. Now we're going to open it up. So we're going to try to look for the biggest opening, and they're all very, very small, so very tightly sealed, but this one, there's a tiny bit of a gap. It's so small, it's pretty much unnoticeable, but this one should work too. These are a little bit tighter, so I'll probably avoid these two sides. So we could either start from this side or this side. So I'll probably just start from this side to see. So I'm gonna put the razor knife. Okay, so it went in, which is what we wanted. Now this thing is, this is really the hardest part, which takes the most effort. After this, it's fairly straightforward. So I'm gonna see if I can get my guitar pick in here. So we kind of wanna like kind of push this, not too much where the razor is gonna break, but just enough that, there it is. Okay, so guitar pick is in. So now what I could do is I can either do this and just go all the way around, and then if it comes out, it actually goes back in very easily. So again, if it comes out, you could actually, now it actually goes in fairly easily. So the easiest way is, you could continue with the guitar pick, or you could put this screwdriver and then just kind of do that and pry it with this. This is probably really easy too. I should mention that this is going to mess up the case a little bit. If you don't want to mess it up as much, you could use the prying tool. I personally don't care about the case. I'm going to throw it away anyways. And then it has a lot of clips, which I've actually opened up 2 of these right before this, and both of them I broke a lot of the clips. You could hear them popping now. But both of the times I broke a lot of the clips, and that's fine to me because again, I'm not going to use the case. But yeah, you could go like this and then pry it out, and it just pops right out. It's easier with the prying tool. So I'll give you guys a side shot of what I'm doing. So yeah, so I basically just go and then just kind of pop it out like that. So this thing is already out for the most part, so I could just pop this out with my hands now. Oh nice, I got a Seagate Pro. I know from the back, at least that's what I'm guessing, but we'll actually check. Yeah, you can see I broke most of the pins. Now, will it pop back in? Maybe, but yeah, it doesn't really matter to me. So just know that it's gonna mess up. But I think this is the Seagate Barracuda Pro, and it's a surprise with these. So the other 2 I opened up, one was a Seagate Barracuda Pro, and then the other one was a Seagate Red NAS drive. It was one of the NAS drive ones, so I was like, oh, that's pretty awesome as well. So I got pretty lucky with these. Okay, so once you take this out, you could pry it out with these shocking things, and be careful when you're doing this not to drop the hard drive. So you could just, stick it in here and kind of just pry it out, and then once it's out a little bit, you could just put your screwdriver in there and then pop it out from here. So again, you would just put it in here and then just pop it out. Yeah, Barracuda Pro. I know that because it looks, the back is unique for the Barracuda Pro. It has this look to it. And I just opened up the other one. So yeah, so that's pretty awesome that I got a Barracuda Pro. And so out of opening up 3 of these, I got 2 Barracuda Pros and 1 of the NAS drive ones. Which, yeah, that's honestly pretty awesome. It's like an Easter egg hunt for me. But you take out these shocking things, shock absorption things I should say. Now this is where you need the Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so here comes the foil tape part. So be careful not to touch this stuff. So I'm gonna try to take out the foil tape carefully. The other one, the tape was just up to here, so it's easier to take out. This one is takes a tad more effort. Not a big deal, but just takes a tad more effort. Okay, and then just take out this screw. Oh, and I got the P1 in case you guys are wondering for the Phillips. So yeah, grab that, took that out. You could take out the tape, keep this part. It's up to you if you want to keep this part or not. Obviously, if you end up wanting to put it back in the case, I do recommend keeping this part, even just leaving the tape like this. And if you guys are wondering, well, do your clips close? Well, let's see. So Seagate and Seagate are on the same side. So Seagate's here and Seagate's here. So let's see if it closes. Yeah, still closed actually. So even with all those broken pins. So there you go. That's pretty much it. Plug this into your computer through the SATA power and then the SATA port right there. And you should be good to go. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. And catch you guys in the next one.